welcome back to the channel and happy new year. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. I have been busy and I'm excited to take you along on my new journey in decorating my new home. Yay! So at last, I know many of you have wanted to see me decorate my place, and now I am showing that. Let's start by decorating the living room and kitchen since it's most utilized. If you look to the right, this is my living room. And I will say this is a pretty decent size, being that this is a townhome. So before I start decorating, I make sure to understand what is the concept that I'm trying to achieve. So I would like for my space to be classy, cozy, and have clean lines. So the first thing that I did was paint the wall. In the living room, I really wanted to have a bold statement. This is kind of like my signature. And to do this, I stenciled. I went to this website online. It's called Cutting Edge Stencils, and this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased several templates from them in the past. The one that I got this time was called the Zamira Moroccan wall stencil. When I got it in the mail, it came rolled up. So before it can be used, just roll it out and place some books on top of it until it stays flat. Next, I painted the wall a caviar color. The paint is by Sherwin and it is in a semi-gloss finish. Once the paint was dry, I took painter's tape and taped the stencil to the wall. Next, I add a little bit of caviar paint in a flat finish to my brush. Now you just simply roll the brush on top of the stencil. I wanted the pattern to be subtle on the wall. So when you paint it in the same color with two different finishes, it does the trick. You see what I mean? Subtle but gorgeous. I can't wait to show you what it looks like once some of my furniture comes in. Stay tuned. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Also, let's connect on Instagram. I'm at disainsbytresha. I would love to share your work, so tag me. And I'm on Facebook now at I'm Tresha J, where I give commentary on my videos and share other ideas with you.